It'll be like a piñata on Cinco de Mayo, right?
See what comes out.
Yeah!
Relax, woman.
Oh, strike one. It was high and outside.
Man, didn't touch that thing.
Yeah, I slammed into that thing.
You touched it. Yeah?
Slammed into it.
Wrong. Dope, huh? You recorded it all, yeah?
Yeah.
Come back, I miss you. Okay, grab a pole.
Grab that.